Hey everyone, and welcome back to my library. My name is Princess Candy Cotton if you haven't been here before. Today we're going to be reading Ninjas Know the Cbt Triangle, Thoughts, Behavior, Feelings by Nhin, a part of the Ninja Life Hack series. Hi, I'm Thinking Ninja. I have a really cool superpower that I use a lot. This tool enables me to switch my thoughts so I can handle life's challenges better. It's a superpower we all have. We just have to know how to tap into it. Would you like to learn about it too? It's our superpower of thinking. When we change our thoughts, we can also change our emotions and behaviors. This strategy can best be seen in the Cbt Triangle: thoughts, feelings, behavior. CBT stands for Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. CBT was created by Aaron Beck in the 1960s. The cognitive triangle shows how thoughts, emotions, and behaviors affect one another. Or more specifically, our thoughts change the way that we feel, which then changes the way that we act, which then influences our thoughts. For example, here's what happened to me before I knew about this special superpower. I woke up feeling nervous and scared. It was the first day of school. My thoughts began. Today is such a scary day. I don't know if I'll make any friends. What if no one likes me? School is hard. The chatter in my head wouldn't stop. Have you ever found yourself saying similar things? Now enter feelings. After a morning filled with negative thoughts, I felt even worse. I was extremely anxious and worried about going to school. Overall, I was feeling really bad about myself, and the last thing I wanted to do was go to school. The impending doom. Do you see how our thoughts influence our feelings? The things that we tell ourselves matter. Here comes the behavior. After dragging my feet, I made it out the door and got to school. At school, I didn't talk to anyone and I cried. As a result, I didn't make any new friends. This only confirmed that all of my negative thoughts were real. The cycle then repeats itself. After I learned about my superpower of thinking, I was able to regain control of my feelings and behaviors. Here's what happened after I recognized the pattern and stop the cycle. Thoughts. I'm going to make new friends today. I feel hopeful. I'm excited for the first day of school. I think today will be a great day. I feel happy. I am positive. Feelings. I am hopeful. Behaviors. I smile. I'm upbeat and wave to others. I introduce myself to a new friend. I make new friends. I have fun on the playground. That's why I use my superpower of thinking every day, because I know that my thoughts impact my feelings and behaviors. And now I hope you can use this superpower too. Thoughts, feelings, behavior. Remember to use positive thoughts to help you face life's challenges better. Here are some thoughts that help me. I am capable. I am smart. I am worthy. Mistakes help me learn. Thank you so much for joining me for this story today. If you like this book, you can find more like it and more about the author in the description below the video. And please come back and read more stories with us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.